Maybe it's because I'm about to start my period and I literally want to cry. I always cry. No, I don't always. Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Thank you guys so much for being here, liking, commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. Hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get into it. Hello people. Okay, so I'm about to leave to go pick up Dylan to go to get coffee. First, let's pick a very comfy outfit. Okay, I figured it out. I'm gonna do these essential sweats, the hoodie that matches, and this is what we're gonna wear. And we're gonna do these Uggs because they're comfy and cute. Super soft, super lazy, super comfy.
A few moments later.
About to pick up Dylan.
Hello. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, hello, vlog. It's not gonna let me know that I'm gonna be on camera today.
It's the
element of surprise.
The element of surprise.
Yes. You know, we filmed a few things and you haven't put them in. So
they're in my vlog. Do you watch my vlogs?
Are they? Really?
That is so disrespectful.
Oh.
Ooh. Yay. Okay, we got this.
Oh, your ex is here.
Tomorrow.
Strong. My skin's pretty clear. The only thing is that I'm just trying to get rid of like all the scarring on my cheek and like right here, but other than that it's pretty good. It's usually pretty good. Okay, let's make the bed. Cute and clean it is. Also, I wanted to share something I got from Skims the other day. I ordered it and it just came in the mail. I've never bought in Skims underwear or bras ever. I only have their dresses, so yeah, this is new for me. They have like a deal if you get 3, it's like 3 for something. I don't know. They end up being $12 each instead of like 20 bucks. So I got 3 pairs of these like undies, but they're like cheeky, so they kind of like ride up your butt a little bit. Thin, but they're like such good quality and really soft material. You can wear this under sheer stuff, so it like sees through and it's like super cute. I don't know how to describe it. I'll try to put like a photo of an example right here of an outfit where you like see through it, but black ones, pair of light tan, a darker tan. And I bought one bra, and let me tell you, I have not worn a basic bra probably 10 years, maybe even longer than that. So I ordered one, and I'm not gonna lie, they're bomb. Like, this is so nice and so soft, and so comfortable. Just wow. I recommend getting a bra. This was like $52. It's worth it. Probably gonna last you a long time. That's it for Skims. All right, guys, we're here at the flea market. Yay!
They sell fleas here, is what I've heard.
Like the insects?
Yeah, go here to get your fleas.
I don't know. Can't hold hands and be cute for my vlog. Hug. Oh. Okay. When I tell you I'm in the biggest potato phase right now, I also am cooking dinner for myself. Also, look at my cute slippers. I'm having a glass of wine and I'm making salmon, mashed potatoes, sauteed mushrooms, and Brussels sprouts. Yep, that is my night. Maybe it's because I'm about to start my period and I literally want to cry at absolutely nothing. I always cry. No, I don't always. I don't know. Oh my god, this looks so good. I did so good. Yay! I did really good. Like, this is actually insane. Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat it now. Bye! Thank you for watching this vlog. I'm telling you, I am running on potato battery. So it's been real hard to knock out these vlogs lately, but I'm gonna keep trying my best and vlogging all I can. And I just want to say I appreciate you all for still being here, watching, commenting, subscribing, and I will just see you guys next vlog. Bye!